everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Lilia. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I clean my glass surface top, but honestly, you can apply this to any stove top. And I'm using all natural ingredients that are very easily available. You can easily find them in your cupboards. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to not only like and subscribe, but also hit the notification bell. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more tasty recipes and tips. To get the cleaner started, I've got some baking soda, dish soap, and some white vinegar, along with a little spongy to clean up my surface top. And this is a non-scratch one, and that's because I have a glass stove top that I want to make sure and I don't damage. So other than that, you will just need some warm water. I'm gonna start out with warm water just to get any of these extra pieces off first. So you want to do that before you start running any of the cleaners. That way you have less gunk to deal with. And I actually learned about this cleaner by accident. It was kind of like my penicillin moment because I dropped a box of, an open box actually of baking soda as I was trying to get some crackers. And obviously had to scrub it off. And that's actually when I found out that you can easily clean that with this. And I've been buying cleaners for like ever for this type of stovetop. And it doesn't do as great of a job. And this is so stuck as you can see, but the baking soda will do the trick. I'm gonna spread this evenly, but adding a little bit more where there's grease and spills, hard spills. And I do this normally about once a week, and it really does keep your stovetop really shiny actually. And the baking soda is not harsh, and the granules aren't very hard either. It's like very powdery that it won't leave any scratch marks. So, and then here is my, actually that's the dish soap. I'm gonna add a little bit of vinegar. And I'm gonna let it sit like this for a good 10 minutes or so. Going to go in with my dish soap, and I'm using a dish soap that is all natural. I'm going to come in here and start scrubbing away. If you've got grease that has piled on for weeks and possibly even months, shame on you. But if that's how it had to happen, I guess. That's okay. This will definitely remove that hard sticky grease, kind of like goo. You'll see it on the sides. This will still work. The only thing is that you might have to leave this set on your stove for a little bit longer. I clean mine about once a week, maybe twice a week, so it doesn't give it time to stick really bad. And then I just go in and clean the rest of my stove with this as well. The tougher the grease stain, it's going to require that this baking soda vinegar mix sits on your stove top just for a little bit longer, and you might even have to repeat the process twice. So I recommend for you to do this at least a few times a month, and you should be good to go. I don't know about you, but at least for me, a dirty stove definitely doesn't inspire me to become creative in the kitchen, and it's just not very sanitary either. I'll start wiping this down so I can see if I might have missed a spot or so. And that is it for this video. Please make sure to share with all your friends and family, and thank you for watching.